What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss back here, bringing you guys a new video. Oh my god, almost got that on camera. But yeah, I'm gonna be showcasing the toll road in the Toyota Prius. This is a 2008 model, Grand Touring Edition. I'm actually using my Sony a6000 camera. Forgot my GoPro. So this is basically pretty close to POV. I mean, this is like what I see. You can see my hand on the left. But you know, guys, I am enjoying making these videos. I'm actually getting some traction on these videos, which I'm super grateful for. Hope everyone's enjoying it. I for sure am. I still have the Passport 9500X on the Prius. I do not speed. I do not condone speeding or recommend it, but I just have it for traffic cameras and stuff like that. Super useful. Like I said, guys, this is my video on POV test driving the Prius on a toll road. And let's just get started. So, hope everyone's doing well. And you know, I'm sending you guys good vibes and good, you know, just good positive energy. Let me make sure my camera is all the way. Yep, this is as wide as it gets. It's pretty wide. I mean, it's not as wide as the GoPro for sure, but I mean, it's the job done. Quality's pretty good, if you ask me. But let's pull over one. You know, maybe we can do some car spotting while we're on the toll road. But this car is going on very strong, knock on plastic. Soon it will be wood. It's whatever car I get next. I'm currently looking at a new vehicle. But I will continue making these Prius videos as long as I can for fun. Here's a little interior shot of the car. I've been keeping it pretty clean. On the outside, it's definitely a little, I think it's more cleaner than the inside. Let me know what you think. But yeah, guys, this car has the JBL sound system, and it's pretty good. Not the best I've ever heard, but it's pretty good for a, you know, just like a economical car. Currently getting very good gas mileage, which is very pleasing to see. One thing I will note, and I'll note probably in every video, is the gas mileage on this car is amazing. For the money you're spending, you get really good gas mileage. I was filling up, and I think I only spent like 15 to fill up. And you know, it all depends on how you drive the car. Usually I drive it pretty like just normal, I guess, in my opinion. I don't drive it like economically speaking, so I don't get like the full 50, but I average around 40, which is really good in my opinion. Look at that Beamer. I think that's the 1 Series. But like I said, guys, this is a toll road. I'm currently using my Easy Pass to pay for the tolls. There's no, like, you can't really pay with the coins. If you don't have the Easy Pass, they send you in the mail a ticket. Not a ticket, but like just like a, I guess a ticket. A really cheap toll thing you have to pay online. But if you don't pay it, it's ridiculous. They charge you like a $40 late fee. Like, it's such a ripoff in my opinion. But enough ranting, you know, I don't rant, I don't complain. I'm super grateful to have a car and, you know, to be able to film with my camera. Super grateful. Hope everyone is doing well, like I said. We're just gonna keep cruising along. I'm gonna make this video around 8 minutes. I like the 8-minute mark. Keep it nice and simple. But we're just cruising right now, guys. Like, we're just cruising along this toll road. Let me know what you think of the difference between the A6000, which is the camera I'm using right now, versus the GoPro. I have multiple POV test drives of this Toyota Prius on my channel. Be sure to check out any of the other videos I have posted. Just let me know what you think. Guys, leave any suggestions on what I should do in my videos. I'm super open-minded, and you know, I'm looking to improve every video I upload. So I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I for sure am enjoying making this content. So like I said before, I am so grateful for all the blessings and, you know, just all the opportunities I have. I'm gonna keep grinding the YouTube channel, and I've been looking at the analytics so far, and these Prius videos are getting some traction. So shout out to all the Prius fans, or you know, just any enthusiasts or whatever. You guys are cool, and be sure to follow. I actually have a photography Instagram account I've been rolling out with this A6000. So I've been doing a bit of both of YouTube and freelancing photography, really trying to grind and, you know, get to the next level. Anyone watching this is kind of like the beginning. Just wait till I get, you know, past this level. I'm super excited and super grateful at the same time. Look at this guy. He's speeding. He is speeding. That's a nice. I like that car. Looks a little old, but it's going faster than me. So I mean, I guess it's well made. But like I said, guys, alignment's pretty good on the car. Here's my handoff. Very good. Brakes are good. The car has been very, very, very nice to me. Super grateful, and I am excited for this winter and fall. Hopefully we'll level up and, you know, get better with the editing and video content creation. My hand is getting a little tired holding this camera. I will say it is heavier. The GoPro, I'm gonna do a video on how to set up my GoPro mount, just to help other filmmakers out there with their content. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will catch you guys soon. Murdercus is out. Peace.